My question is that we are asked this question कि जी आपकी शादी हुई नहीं हुई, प्लान्स हैं, बड़ा हमारे माइंड करते हैं हम ये बात. लेकिन then taking Ikra as an example, she did the opposite, right?
She did what people are concerned about,
Yeah.
basically.
वो किया फिर एंड मेजोरिटी एंड इट्स फनी कि हम जितने भी यहाँ पे बैठे हुए हैं वो सब वेर ऑल वर्किंग, नोबडी हैज लेफ्ट द जॉब. ठीक है, फुल टाइम से पार्ट टाइम हो गई बट स्टिल वर्किंग, बट मेजोरिटी डू लीव द जॉब. सो द कंसर्न इज वैलिड. हमें बुरा क्यों लगता है अगर कोई हमसे पूछता है?
हमें बुरा क्यों लगता है
अगर कोई हमसे पूछता है?
क्योंकि it feels personal. There are certain things which are personal. If I have a kid, if I don't have a kid, if I have plans to get married,
No, I'm not talking about kids. I'm talking about the employment part. कि भाई आपकी शादी हुई भी है, आपके बच्चे हो रहे हैं.
Because एक assumption है ना. So on that note as well, there is an assumption. So I'm being benchmarked against a lot of people who have opted to leave, or their in-laws perhaps have asked them to leave. या उनकी situation इस तरह की है, they can't pursue a job, right? So I'm just automatically judged. Okay? But regardless, अगर आप मुझसे question पूछते हो, या तो be open to hearing my response and treating it as an honest response. But a lot of times, when the question is being asked, it's being asked because of the prejudice. Do you get it? But
Exactly.
No,
I get it. I do get it.
Plus,
But I also
they want to put you in a box.
They are making your hiring decision not on your skills, they are making your hiring decision on your personal choices. How do they know if I'll get married and I'll have kids, I will not be able to work? I cannot predict it. How they are making a hiring decision on my personal choices? They can't. They should ask me questions and treat me equally as they are treating a boy. Why don't they ask boys this question?
उनसे पढ़ाई का भी नहीं पूछते, ठीक है? मतलब काफी exactly भी पूछते हैं, अच्छा आपने भी बैचलर्स किया हुआ, अच्छा फिर आप पढ़ाई करेंगे, मास्टर्स करेंगे, भी उससे पूछ लो, उससे क्यों नहीं पूछते? क्योंकि assumption again है, he is the breadwinner, वो probably मास्टर्स नहीं करेगा या साथ-साथ जॉब के साथ-साथ चलाएगा, क्योंकि उसके पास लिबर्टी नहीं होगी, ठीक है? वो एक assumption है again. That's the only thing.
Fortunately or unfortunately, but incidentally, I've never been asked these questions in any interviews. मैंने जितने भी कभी इंटरव्यूज दिए, nobody asked me about my marriage, my children, my
अच्छा, मुझे भी वैसे नहीं पूछा,
मुझसे कभी नहीं पूछा.
Majority से नहीं पूछा. I have worked for an employer who asked me to sign a bond not to have babies so that they can retain me, and I have signed that bond for them when I was working for them. They can't do
but
that.
I still feel कि हर तरह के लोग हैं और हर तरह के environment.
Yeah, because I needed that job at that time.
बट आई थिंक हर तरह के लोग हैं. अब मैं इफ आई टॉक अबाउट मिचेल्स, तो मिचेल्स का एक फैक्ट्री मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एनवायरनमेंट था एंड इट वाज अ वेरी रिजिड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कि सुबह 8 बजे आपने आके अपना बायोमेट्रिक करना है और अगर नहीं किया तो 8:15 के बाद आपकी छुट्टी कर जाएगी. इन दैट एनवायरनमेंट जब मेरा बेटा हुआ तो मैं पहला साल तो ऑफिस जाती रही, दूसरे साल मैंने उनको बोला कि भाई मैं तो नहीं है नौकरी कर सकती, तो CEO इमीडिएटली डिसकंटिन्यूड दैट biometric for me and he said आप दिन में 3-4 घंटे आ जाया करो.
Just to add to that, so Habib University Foundation, where I used to work there, I was the first woman to have a child while in employment. ठीक है, so she was the first one nation. So 2 महीने बाद, अच्छा, while I was on my leave, तो मेरी उसने प्रमोशन भी की, जो मेरे बॉस थे उन्होंने प्रमोशन भी कर दी और जो भी था एडजस्टमेंट, सैलरी एडजस्टमेंट हुआ, जो भी हुआ. So 2 months later, after the baby was there, so I went back to the office and I said, अच्छा, I want to talk about rejoining and things like that. And he's like, are you rejoining? That was my biggest question, because he must have also seen multiple times in his experience. And I said, yes, I do want to join. So he said, okay, what do you feel comfortable? देखो, why don't you go take a walk in the office, find a spot where you think you can bring your daughter. मैं कोई maid या कुछ इस तरह नहीं कर सकता. You'll have to bring your own maid yourself. They can just go and identify a spot that you're comfortable कि वो वहाँ पे दिन भर है.
That's a really nice thing to say. Exactly.
Now, but one of the things that I just want to kind of also talk about, right? So what happened with Asma, what happened with me, we had proven ourselves and we got that benefit, right? And nothing to take away from Wasif, excellent decision, wonderful person also, right? And adjusted. And same thing goes for your boss. But it's not a norm. It should be the norm. ठीक है ना? Because 8:15 के ऊपर ये जो फजूल एक mindset है, I understand that people abuse it and that's why these things happen. People abuse it. There has to be some process around it.
Yeah.
Right? So you cannot ask somebody to sign off her, and say, no kids for 3 years or 2 years or whatever.
Yeah.
If I do that.
All type of people exist. It's not like that कि सारे लोग ही बुरे हैं या सारे लोग ही अच्छे हैं. बहुत organizations जो हैं वो आपको बहुत different तरीकों से accommodate करती है. बहुत सारी organizations accommodate नहीं करती. But that's the point what Samar is saying, that this should be made the norm. Because women come with their own challenges.